Manipur government has issued a show-cause notice to Airtel for providing internet services to unwhitelisted mobile numbers. The notice states that if in case satisfactory explanations are not received within the stipulated timeline, all services provided by Airtel shall have to be shut down, including internet services in the state of Manipur, without further notice. In view of the prevailing volatile law and order situation in the state, Manipur state government has been suspending telecom services in the state of Manipur since May 3rd and has been reviewing at regular intervals for the phase-wise opening of the internet service. However, suspension of mobile internet, data services and VPN services in the territorial jurisdictions of the state of Manipur, except for those who have already been specifically whitelisted for physical testing by the state government under Rule 2 of the Temporary Suspension of Telecom Service Rules 2017, is in force as on that. However, despite earlier repeated instructions, it has been learnt that mobile data internet services provided by Airtel were available to unwhitelisted mobile numbers in some areas of Churachandpur and adjoining areas of Bishnupur district, especially in 𝐿𝐄 𝐒𝐃 areas on 20th September. While the suspension of mobile internet data VPN services is still in force, which is a serious lapse on the part of service provider, and this lapse might have led to the disseminations of the inflammatory and provocative clips, messages in various social media platforms leading to communal tension, hatred, rumors at this tense situation in the state. Furthermore, such lapses may aggravate the ongoing law and order crisis in the state.